If you are an agency owner struggling to fix your automation prices, watch this video. As a beginner, you don't have any testimonials or personal brand, so finding your first client is way more difficult. Without giving your services for free, it's nearly impossible to find your first clients. After a month, you can convert free clients into paying clients if you deliver on your promises. Once they have used your services for free, you get a complete authority to ask for what you want. If they don't like your free value, ask for a review without any hesitations because they have used your services. So you can ask for testimonials. Ask them what's good, what's bad. Use the good things as social proof for future clients and use the bad ones to improve yourself. Keep repeating this process until someone agrees to buy from you. The number one way I think to collect payment is monthly retainers. I will walk you through both the upside and downside of retainer. The upsides will be the real power here is in recurring revenue. Even if clients are only locked in month to month and some drop off quickly, it is still significantly boost the total value and you get for each customer. Think about it. Rather than a single 5K project charging 3K per month with clients saving an average of 3 months brings in 9K. That's nearly double the revenue and it feels like less of a commitment for them upfront. On top of that, consistent monthly income increases the overall value of your business. When it comes time to sell, that predictable revenue stream can push your selling price higher. For example, 3K a month equals 36K a year, which could add 50K or more to your company's sale value. Plus, you are getting paid before the work is delivered, which is a big advantage for the cash flow. Now, the downsides are at the end of the day, you are still trading time for money. Even when you bundle your hours into packages, you are still essentially charging for time, which can cause a mismatch between the price and the actual value delivered. If he still hesitates, we can't just leave him because he has used our free services. So instead, go with this model. But keep in mind, this is the last option. So don't make it a priority. Percentage of revenue. Example, you build a LinkedIn DM plus voicemail drop system that reaches out to people and leaves customized messages based on their profile. You then forward those to a closer who have installed with their business. Your system takes very little setup time and you are super confident that it works. Now the next and the most important part comes is how much to collect. Look at how much value you are providing. Then take a small percentage of that value. This way, it's good for the client and also for you. This is the most traditional and the most reliable option you can choose to price your services. Now, pricing becomes very easy because you have first given them free value, so you already know how much value you are providing them. Charge 20 to 30% of that value provided. Hope you like this quick video. If you need any improvements, you can comment down below and I will try to solve this.